when you think about it, here's who is recruitable. If I'm an agent and you would like to recruit me, I'm a producing agent, and I am making plenty of money and I love my broker, am I recruitable? No, I'm not. There's no reason for me to leave. Let's say I love my broker, but I'm earning less selling real estate than I wish I was. Am I recruitable? Yes, I'm recruitable. Let's say I'm making plenty of money, but I'm temporarily upset with my broker. Yes, I'm recruitable. And of course, if I'm upset with my broker and I'm making not enough money, of course I'm recruitable. So it's a very tiny group of agents that are really not recruitable. The question is, what do you ask to find that out? So we teach that to you. And then getting the signature and all that kind of stuff when we meet with them. Eliminating the objections rather than overcoming them. So part of that is the skill of being different. So let's say I open a real estate company, Fearless Agent Realty, right across the street from your company. At that point, you have a choice. You can be a little bit better than me, which I can tell you would be pretty difficult, or you could be completely different than me. Well, if your choice is to be better than me or different than me, pick different. Be completely different than me, then they have a reason to meet with both you and me, and maybe they'll just hit it off with you better. So being different, that's a skill that I teach it to you. So think about it this way. It's easy to be different, by the way. You've got the customer, that's the recruit. You've got the product, and that is you. You are the product, not your split. You are the product. And then you've got the process, okay? Now the process is horrible. I have to leave my friends at my existing company. That's not fun. I have to get all new business cards and a new website and a new this and a new that. That's not fun. I have to learn all your new little quirky policies and procedures. That's not fun. And then the split might be even worse than it was where I'm leaving. That's not fun. The process stinks, but your competitors are selling the process. And I teach you to sell the product. What is the product? It's earning scads more money net after all the expenses are paid. That's the product. So I teach you how to sell them on the product. And of course, the process is what it is, but we don't ever mention it.